Hi guys, in this video we will be looking at how can we share the folders and the files within the folder with our VirtualBox setup operating system. So for this I'm using a Mac computer, and the operating system that I'm having in VirtualBox is Windows 10. So I'll be sharing this folder that I'm having over here with my Windows 10 VirtualBox setup. For this tutorial you could also be able to share this folder with any of the other operating system, for example Ubuntu, Linux, or anything. So let me quickly go on to the settings. I'll go on to the shared folder, and I've already shared it, but let me delete it. And I'll click onto this menu path. I'll select the folder path, and I'll go on to desktop and this folder that I'm having over here. I'll click on to auto mount only, not the read only access. I'll click on OK. So this folder that I'm having over here, I'm having a test file in it. So I've just written it. I'm on a Mac computer, and we'll be sharing this folder and the file within this folder with our Windows 10 VirtualBox. So let me go on to the start. It's getting started. So now what I need to do over here is with the VirtualBox menu that I'm having over here, while I'll be taking my cursor to the upward direction, I'll click on to device, insert guest edition. Then I'll go on to my PC, and I can see the guest edition over here. So I'll double click on it. I'll go on to the VirtualBox Windows edition. I'll say yes. So it's installing the guest edition into the VirtualBox that I'm having, and we have to reboot it now. So let me click finish, and my VirtualBox will start rebooting. So this is the setup that is required to be done only once. Once you are having your guest edition installed, you could be able to share the files and folders from your Mac computer or any another computer to your VirtualBox any point of time. So let me get started with this. I'll go on to the folder section. I'll go on to this PC, and now I can see that I have a shared folder over here with the inside folder that I've saved it at that point of time. So that's it for this video, guys.